Hi, it is here for the Samsung Galaxy M33 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here click to volume section, and just to change ringtone volume we should slide to the left or to the right side this blue dot. Also, we can make it by the second way just by using the volume buttons, but first be sure that this switcher volume keys for media is turned off. And now just by press to the up or to the down volume button we can also change the ringtone volume. Also, we can make it just by this way by slide with our finger to the up or to the down this volume panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.